Okay, so first thing you want to do is put on your shorts inside out. So if you notice, these shorts, see, it's too loose. It's too loose on the crotch area, and it's also, see how loose it is, and it's also loose here. So I'm going to adjust the crotch area. I measured, if you notice, the distance between the crotch and the length of the short is 2 inches. So with your, you want to shorten it. So with your safety pin, you have to use a safety pin, do not use a bobby pin. So you want to determine how the distance of your crotch. Now you don't want it too tight. So I'm just gonna do 1 inch. So that's where, if you notice, that's where I'm going to put the safety pin in there. So this is just to determine how much we're going to cut on the crotch area. So after we adjust the crotch area, we are going to also take some couple inches from this side. Now we are going to measure from the bottom of the crotch to where you put your safety pin. Make sure the seam lines of the front and the back of the crotch are aligned. Now we are going to measure the cut line on the crotch. In my case, I measured 1 inch. So from the bottom of the crotch, measure 1 inch and then put a mark. With your ruler, draw a line from the mark down to the length of your shorts. Now we are going to stitch using a running stitch and then reinforce it with a zigzag. Or if you have a serger, you can use a serger. Now we are going to cut the excess fabric. Now we are going to fix the sides of the shorts. You will have to determine how many inches will be taken out from your shorts. In my case, I'm taking out 1.5 inches. Make sure your shorts is straight and flat. With your ruler, draw a straight line from the mark all the way up to the waistline. Do the same on the other side. Now we are going to sew where you drew the line, and we are going to reinforce it with a zigzag, or if you have a serger, use a serger. cut the excess fabric. So this is how it looks. It's not too wide now. I just took 1.5 inches, see? And on the crotch area, the distance between the crotch and the length is now 3 inches instead of 2. So it's not very loose. See? It used to be very loose. Now it's not loose anymore. So here it is. And here's the side. And that's the back. Please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.